Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in this key fob. You're going to need one 1620 battery. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description. I will take you straight there. And then a small flat tip screwdriver. First thing you want to do is pop your key out. Next you want to take your screwdriver. This half is what will be coming off. And just put your screwdriver in there just a bit. Push it out till you hear that crack. And that'll loosen up the top half there. Go ahead and put that back together. These little notches here correspond with each side of the circuit board here. Go ahead and pull your circuit board out and push the 1620 battery just straight out. Take that out. Your new battery goes in positive side facing towards you. This will go back in here, and this you can just clamp right back on here. Give it a good squeeze. You know everything's lined up and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.